You will smell the smoking, burning, or the coming, and the toxic virus and the blockage of burning through the prana, the chakra. The wheel of the prana bring the fire of the wisdom, burning all this. The result is you will smell sometimes burning, very strange burn. Not the tasting. Which is your witness of your karma is purified. That's the difference of the Tantrayana teaching and the Sutrayana teaching. Sutrayana is always prepare for the day come. Preparation. Tantrayana is the result path. And every spiritual achievement will your body will become the witness, first witness, which is first benefactor. So through the body, you break in the boundary of this samsara, which is built by the time and the space of these conditions. So with the prana, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, you don't need to have any concept. You don't need to have any make sense. You don't need here to make a sense. You just simply breathe, breathing, breathing until you no longer can breathe. Then you automatically rest. That's the start of meditation. So with the stage of the samadhi or concentrations, when your mind becomes power, because focus, your body becomes power, becomes so relaxed. That's the benefit of the Tantrayana. Very focused with the Sa, Long, Pili. Sa means channel. Long means wind. Tilu means your Atima. So these three is within your this human body. With your blessing of the Guru's instruction, you can transform uh, using this human body to achieve the result, which is Sambuddhakaya, Dhammakaya, and Nibbana-kaya, three kayas. Uh, So that's why you don't need to. My teaching is very simple. It's just a breath. And the one principle, every time you're breathing, very it becomes stronger. But always maintain your breath, your face, facing, mouth relaxed, your shoulder relaxed. Your breathing strong, but your body is maintain relaxed stage. That take a time to become. So that's what you need to practice. Once you practice away of the color chakra and way of time through the prana. Uh, so you cleansing all this confused, all this blockage, all this bacteria, toxic, and then delusions and ignorance. They all burning. Pana teachings is very simple and they're very easy. Just follow the teachers, follow the gurus. The guru must demonstrate and the student must follow. As long as the guru teacher, student cannot follow the guru's breath, that means you still need to follow guru. Uh, so slowly follow, follow, follow. One day you no longer need because your own breath is much longer than your guru. So that's called the transmission. Uh, so your body will answer all your questions. Through the prana, body becomes a mirror and they reflect. You can see who you are. We do not realize the beauty of existence, your mind or rest as a shanti. That's the meditation, purpose of meditation. But with the prana, directly take it. You don't need to have any background, any preparation. You just be in the moment, you just breathe. So such a great, simple practice of Dharma which we can have in this pandemic time. And this is the start of our Shambhala Healing project. Uh, Can today just for 15 minutes is enough. Every day practice 5 minutes. See you next week, hopefully.